Hello everyone, my name is Tracy. Today I will talk about bats. Bats are small animals that can fly. There are many different types of bats and they live in many parts of the world. Some live in jungle, some live in trees or inside houses, but you don't often see them. Most bats live in the day and only fly at night. Bats can't very well with their eyes, but they can fly very quickly. Small bats sometimes eat mice, but bigger bats eat fruit and the ranches that they find in flowers. Thank you and goodbye.